Oh, Rafi.
Okay, go.
What is the question?
The question, Nika, ikaw na magbasa for everybody to answer.
Ano ba to?
Okay.
Okay. Sino sa mga ex mo ang may communication ka pa hanggang ngayon?
Oh, Mark, umpisahan natin.
Lahat kayo, sasagot. Oo.
Oh, lalayo lang ako, baka masisip
Oo.
ako. Okay. Oh.
Meron, wala? Wala. At talaga parang sabi, hindi ko naman masushoot. Sagutin ko na. Good enough sana. O what?
Okay, Rafi.
I'm still not naman in touch, pero there's this thing on the internet called Facebook.
Oh.
And then,
Naku, what?
yun ex ko when I was 14 years old.
14!
Yeah,
okay
yung
yun.
mga taga-high school na friends ko kasi.
She says hi.
They said, hi, how are you? They're all
Do you
wondering.
mind, Malaya? No, okay na yun. Oo. Okay, Kim, ikaw, kailangan to.
Alam mo, dapat mag-Facebook na tayong dalawa, boy. Baka yung mga taga...
Sorry, multiply ako.
Yung mga taga-Boston, hahanapin ako sa Facebook.
When you were 12.
Yes, oh. O, Kim. Ikaw, wala?
Meron.
Sino?
Actually, swerte ako dahil si Feli very secure.
Oh.
Yung ex-girlfriend ko nung
Upo ka na
college,
dito.
naging mag-best friend silang dalawa. So ngayon, may asawa na rin yung
So
ex
parang
ko nung
couples
college.
time
Oo,
kayo.
lumalabas kami.
Alright.
No, even minsan kaming tatlo lang.
That's nice.
Naging magkaibigan sila.
Okay, go. Nika, last question for
Okay.
everybody.
Bukod sa akin, sino ang local celebrity na pinaka-sexy for you? Hindi pwedeng wala.
Oh, kailangan
okay.
Who do you find sexy?
Okay.
In totality, it doesn't have to be just the body. Yung total dating. Sino?
Sino, Mark?
Ann Curtis. Okay, go. Rafi.
Si Ann Curtis daw, Nika. Okay. Yeah.
Okay lang, baby sister niya yun.
Oo nga.
Ano? Rafi?
Para sa akin, siguro si Nikki Hill.
Nikki Hill. Go.
Okay. Okay, Kim. Sino ang pinaka-sexing celebrity para kay?
Kay Kuya Kim.
Pinaka-sexy ba?
Yes.
Kuya Kim, sino?
Si Angel Locsin. I find her very sexy. Sexy
Okay.
Okay. You know, you can tell talaga na magaganda talaga yung relationship nila kasi the men are not afraid to answer.
No, and it takes a lot of security. It takes a lot of maturity.
We're gonna get to know them a lot more sa pagbabalik yan ng
Boy!
and Chris.
The boy and Chris, kaibigan.
How did you meet in a convenience store?
No, hindi kami nag-meet sa convenience store. I
Ano?
mean, nag-ano kami ng full circle na prod number.
Sa ASAP.
ASAP. And then, nag-exchange numbers yung dalawang friends namin. Valid numbers namin ang pinag-exchange nila. Tapos, tinext ng friend ko, tinext si Malaya, at sabi na gusto ko daw na i-text niya ako. Tapos yung friend naman ni Malaya, reverse naman.
Set up. Okay, but were you aware of this and then?
No, we weren't aware.
Okay.
Tapos tinext ako, tapos nag-reply ako, and then...
Sino nag-text siya?
Yeah.
What did you say dun sa text?
I just said, hey, I heard you want me to text you, so here's my number. And then,
Yeah, sabi ko naman, I heard you wanted me to text you. So nag-usap na kami, during one of her rehearsals, I waited for her sa mini-stop. Tapos pagdating niya, after 2 hours of waiting, dumating siya with her friends.
Bakit 2 hours? Ang tagal naman nun.
I had rehearsal, and he waited
For 2 hours?
in mini-stop.
In
Yeah.
mini-stop? Bakit to?
Sandali, pinag-usapan niyo yung mini-stop na doon
Yeah,
ka
pero ang
magkikita.
tsaga.
Yeah, yun lang nakita ko. Sabi ko, mini-stop, okay. Tapos ayaw ko na tumawag ulit.
So lahat
Baka
ata
ma-store
ng
ko.
hotdog, ng mga pandesal, lahat ng mga drinks at kape doon, nabili mo na.
Hindi pa, ito pa kasi yung nangyari. Pagdating niya, sobrang nahiya ako. Kaya nag-hi ako, tapos tumakbo na ako.
Tumakbo ka?
Again. Nag-hi ka,
I
tapos,
said,
After
hi.
waiting 2 hours.
hi.
I said hi, and then bye. And then,
Ikaw, ano ginawa mo?
Wala, it was just, I was shocked because I knew he waited. You know, he said, okay, I'll meet you here. And then I had my friend check. And he said, okay, yeah, he's here. He's in the area. And then so when I finally got there, and he just,
Hi.
hi. And then he left. I was
Bye.
like, okay, bye.
Kasi they're both sexy. Diba? And part of your jobs is to be sexy. So, parang when you're together, nagpapasexy pa ba kayo or hang loose na?
When we're together, I don't
Or do you ever
Nice.
think about it?
to be sexy for
I mean, you know, when you're
Like,
together.
yeah, like the dressing apart, the forma.
I guess
the tindig.
every once in a while. But
Once in a while.
I'm really comfortable with him, so I feel like, no matter what I look like, he's okay with it.
Sandali naman. How do you sustain? Maraming mga bata ngayon, maraming mga couples ang nanunood sa atin. Paano nyo sinusustain yung inyong relasyon? Para maging matibay, masaya?
Para sa akin, I think it's trust and understanding. And
Okay.
Ano yung special effort? Like, meron bang given na every,
Yes.
once a week, may date night? Or every,
Pagkatapos ng ASAP, every Sunday, we always go out to eat. I make sure na block
With
off
friends
talaga.
na kayo lang dalawa?
silang
Sometimes
dalawa
with
lang.
friends,
That's very
sometimes kami
important.
So,
dalawa lang.
naka-block off ang Sunday, late Sunday afternoon.
Yeah, late Sunday afternoon.
So, do you go to discover new restaurants or meron na kayong favorite na parating doon na lang?
We try to discover, but then nag-end up kami sa favorite house.
Which one is your favorite?
There's one along Tomas Morato. Actually, it's just Chili's and Fridays. Lagi kami.
Okay. kayo ba hindi? Sa mga batang katulad ninyo, I'm interested to know, do you have rules? Parang, you're both very attractive. Okay ito, pero ito ang mga hindi pwede. Meron?
It's okay, because there's some girls that don't like it when guys have other girls that are just friends. But me, it's like, you can be friends with whoever you want. You can have fun with them as long as you don't make it an emotional friendship. Like,
But how would you know?
as soon as I start seeing him spending more time with them, then
Ah,
maybe
iba na
I'll be
yun.
like, okay, wait, yeah.
At saka, girls know, di ba? So,
Right.
alam mo, ikaw, Rafi,
I think it's more about if you don't want it happening to yourself, you don't do it.
Tama.
Oh,
At this
that's
point
true.
in the relationship, since every Sunday yan, given ba na this Sunday, it's your turn to pay, this Sunday, ikaw?
It doesn't matter who pays or not. Usually,
doesn't?
Sometimes the manager gives us free stuff na nga because we're always there. So
okay.
Sobrang dalas nyo. We're
Malaya, thank you.
Let's dance. Let's dance. You dance.
Okay. Alam mo naman ako, if you tell me to jump, I jump. Dance. Okay.
Statue dance, pero dapat, pag nag-stop, you have to hug each other.
At ang,
Touchy-feely dance ito.
no, but who gives the steps? I see Rafi at saka si
Siyempre, siya yung
Malaya.
magaling sumayaw.
Oh,
Ito,
gagayahin ni Nika at saka ni Mark at saka ni Kim at saka ni Selly.
Let's dance.
Okay. Katuwaan lamang kasi umaga. Mga nanay, music. Gagayahin natin si Rafi at si Malaya. Oh, okay. Dapat naka-embrace. So gagayahin lang. Okay. Sige. Music. Dapat may dance. Kunyari wala kami dito. Tayo ho. Kung ano...
O yung bagong cesarean, wag masyado. Ako, anong mangyari?
Ha? Okay. Kaya, kami ni Coco dito. Huwag mo pa ihirapan masyado, Rafi. Iba-iba ang
At ito,
boss.
si Kuya Kim talaga, bigay todo,
Oo.
Okay.
Okay.
When we come back, lasting love na ang pag-uusapan natin. You've been married 7 years, am I right? Yes,
Mga
going
6
7
years.
na, di ba? So, eto na. So, paano ba yon? Paano ba pinapanatili yung init sa pagsasama? So, pagbabalik yan ng
Boy!
And Chris.